Added backup and support with remoteGO Mini. remoteGO Mini is a remote service from a Vaillant heat pump technical advisor to confirm the heat pump is installed and functioning to its manufacturer's specification, giving the installer the peace of mind of trouble-free operation and the best possible efficiency for the end customer. What is included in remoteGO Mini? When you book a remoteGO Mini appointment, a Vaillant heat pump technical advisor will conduct a full visual check of the heat pump via video call. They will also conduct performance checks and provide professional advice on the system setup and product use. We recommend the remoteGO Mini service if you are looking for additional support from Vaillant to confirm that the heat pump is installed and functioning to its manufacturer's specification. If the system is installed with a My Vaillant Connect internet gateway, the system performance can be checked remotely via My Vaillant Pro service. How do I book a remoteGO Mini? With remoteGO Mini, you can have the flexibility to pre-book an appointment at a date and preferred time to suit you, with as little as 2 days' notice. You can book online via professional.vaillant.co.uk/remoteGO Mini form to organise an appointment, or for more information please visit professional.vaillant.co.uk/AFC. Delivering industry-leading support, it's our commitment to you for life.